Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 5 to you. In week 5, which is September the 10th through the 16th, we're looking at shopping vocabulary and the preterite and the imperfect tenses. So you're going to want to study pages 248 to 253 in your text and pages 262 to 266. And you're going to want to review pages 200 to 206, 214 to 222, and 230 to 233. At the end of this week, you should know when to use the imperfect tense and how to correctly form it. You should also be able to identify the names of various specialty stores and what they sell and other shopping vocabulary. You should also be able to present orally about your childhood, demonstrating your ability to respond to questions and familiar situations. You should also be able to use the preterite tense, sports, and weather vocabulary to write a paragraph describing what you did last summer. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 5, and they're due on the 13th. You want to start the same way you do each week by watching the instructor-made videos. You're going to see Chapter 8 vocabulary, and videos on the preterite and the imperfect. And after you're done looking at the videos, you're going to want to click on the class participation link, click on the thread, and then you're going to want to hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about the material. Okay. This week, you also have assignment 6 where you're going to visit My Language Labs and complete these activities. So if you click on My Language Labs, it will take you out to our Pearson site. Let me get in student view. So when you go out there, it should look like this. Get rid of that. And you'll want to go under assignments, click on course calendar or your to-do list. And then you're going to want to click on the date the assignments are due, which is the 13th. And they're going to pop up here, and just click on each assignment and complete it, and then hit finish and submit, and it'll come to me for grading. You can do it as many times as you would like before the due date, but if you're doing it more than 3 times, I would suggest reaching out to me. Okay. You also have your final draft for writing assignment 1. The workshop has not been moved down because I'm doing the video in advance, but when you get to this assignment, you should see this workshop right above writing assignment 1. And in that, when you open it up, you will see the feedback that I've given you and the feedback that your fellow classmates have given you, and you'll want to take that feedback and then open up writing assignment 1, the final draft, and you will hit add a submission and paste your fixed draft. Okay. And then you also have oral dialogue 2 preparation. The workshop should be in the week before week 4. That oral dialogue, we're going to move that oral dialogue here. You'll click on it, and this time you won't be making a script. You're going to be critiquing a fellow classmate's script. So you'll use the rubric provided and the feedback space to give your classmates feedback on what they plan to say in week 6. And that's everything that you need to do for week 5.